Myself is Khelkar ND from RBNB College, Srirampur. I will start the photosynthesis topic for 11th. So, on Earth's surface, the plant is trap the light and convert into energy. That is, the light energy is converted into the chemical energy, and this process is called the photosynthesis. The green plant play important role on Earth's surface that trap the light and convert it into that is chemical energy. You know that process is called the photosynthesis. The photosynthesis is defined as synthesis of carbohydrate that is glucose from inorganic materials like CO2 and H2O. In presence of photosynthetic pigment, that is chlorophyll. The glucose is formed, that is photosynthesis. Yes, photosynthesis is nothing but it is the process in which the solar energy get converted into chemical energy in the form of, that is, glucose or carbohydrate. It is represented as, that is, CO2, H2O, glucose C6H12O6. The amount of oxygen is released, and that is H2O, 6 H2O and 6 O2 molecules are released out in presence of chlorophyll. Light is trapped and chlorophyll pigments. Here 6 molecules of CO2 and 12 molecules of H2O. That is, the glucose is formed. This is the equation of photosynthesis. By the process of photosynthesis, the glucose is synthesized in presence of light. This process is unique process in green plant and is the final light energy trapping process on earth surface. Okay, you know that in the atmosphere only 0.03, that is 0.03% CO2 is in the form of gaseous state. Percentage CO2, that is carbon dioxide, and that is this small percentage represents the 22,000 billion ton of CO2 in the atmosphere. Billion ton of CO2 in the atmosphere annually. Then the ocean contain over 50 times by amount of atmosphere CO2 in the form of dissolved gas or carbonates. From these two sources, the 70 million tons CO2 is fixed by the plant annually. Okay, that is the amount of CO2 present in gaseous state, that is in 0.03%. Annually, the 22 billion ton CO2 on earth surface, that is fixed by plants. Then on ocean, that is 15 times more CO2 is present in the ocean, is in the form of that is carbonate or atmospheric CO2, dissolved gas carbonate, and total amount of CO2 is fixed by green plants annually, that is 70 billion ton. This CO2 is utilized by plant for photosynthesis. Okay, then next point, that is structure of chloroplast. Structure of chloroplast. Chloroplast is a cell organelle found in plants. You know that it is the present only in a plant cell. Hence they appear green in color. Stroma. Chloroplast is a double membrane bound structure. Cell organelle is present in mesophyll cells of the leaves. Where the mesophyll cells present? You know that beneath the or inside the epidermis, the cells present called the mesophyll cells in leaves, and where the chloroplast present. The chloroplast in plant, that is in different plants, in algae it is ribbon shaped or cup shaped. In higher plants the structure of chloroplast is discoid or lens shaped. Then about the structure of chloroplast, that is, it is bounded by two membrane bound layers, that is outer membrane inner membrane space inner membrane space, then grana lamellae DNA RNA, that is ribosomes, stroma, thylakoid, this is the structure of chloroplast. Then the thylakoid stroma lamellae is appear like this. Thylakoid, and this is a thylakoid lamellae, that is stroma lamellae. Okay, this is the structure of chloroplast. Here, what is chloroplast? The chloroplast is nothing but a cell organelle. It is found in green plants. They are of different size and shape. CO2, it is present in the mesophyll cells of the leaves and enter the CO2 through stomata, and water reaches to the stomata, to the chloroplast through veins. Here, in higher plants, the chloroplast is somewhat discoid or lens-shaped in structure. Chloroplast is bounded by double membrane wall layer called that is outer membrane and inner membrane, or outer membrane, internal membrane, or outer membrane, external membrane. It is also called the external membrane. External membrane or inner membrane is also called the internal membrane. Internal membrane. In between the external membrane and internal membrane, the space is present called inner membrane space. Then this wall layer is bounded by a substance called a stroma. That is, stroma present the ground substance is called the stroma and is bounded by a membrane, double wall membrane layer. In the stroma, the sacs of thylakoid are placed one above the another, called grana, singly called granum. Each grana is connected to another through grana lamellae. The enzyme necessary for the process of photosynthesis are present in the membrane of a thylakoid. Okay. Then here DNA is present in the chloroplast. Then ribosomes are also found. Ribosomes are present. In this way, the structure of chloroplast is. Then one more thing is, all the pigments of chlorophyll, that is carotene, xanthophyll, are present, are located in the thylakoid membrane. Here, this is the thylakoid membrane on which the photosynthetic pigments, that is chlorophyll, xanthophyll, carotene, like these photosynthetic pigments are present. It traps the light from visible spectrum. It absorbs the light from a specific spectrum, that is visible spectrum, and these pigments converts light energy into chemical energy, that is ATP and NADPH, chemical energy. That is about the structure of chloroplast. Okay. Then next point, photosynthetic pigments. Photosynthetic pigments. Here, chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B differ in the nature of group. chlorophyll A. Here these two types of photosynthetic pigments are predominant in number, and they are differ in a group. That is, chlorophyll A has methyl group, CH3 methyl group, and chlorophyll B has aldehyde group, that is CHO. Is the difference between chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. Chlorophyll molecule consists of two parts, that is head and tail. The chlorophyll molecule head and tail. Okay. Then the head is tetrapyrrole, pyroid, 4-pyrene ring, and a long hydrocarbon tail called phytol. This is the structure found in chlorophyll pigments. Then carotene are a lipid compound. Carotene are that is carotenoids are lipid compounds. Carotenoids, another type of photosynthetic pigments present in all the higher plants and microorganisms. They are red, orange, yellow, brown carotenoids. They are red, orange, yellow, brown in color, and found in higher plants as well as in lower plants microorganisms associated with chlorophyll. They are of two types, that is carotene and xanthophyll. Carotenoids are two types, that is carotene and xanthophyll. These are the two types of carotenoid photosynthetic pigments. Contains, that is carotene C40H56, carotene C40H56 are orange red, and xanthophyll contain oxygen. All the photosynthetic pigments have these pigments that are absorb light, the red and blue region. All the photosynthetic pigments absorb the light, that is ranges or from the visible spectrum, that is blue region to a red region, where the rate of photosynthesis is more. Here the spectrum and also protect the chlorophyll molecules from photooxidation. Photosynthetic pigments, all these photosynthetic pigments, that is chlorophyll A, chlorophyll B, carotenoids, that is carotene, xanthophyll, these are protect the chloroplast. These are protect the chlorophyll from photooxidation. From the photooxidation, they are protects. Okay, that is about the photosynthetic pigments. Okay.